Hello, and welcome to our lesson on advanced project management roles and responsibilities. This segment will cover teams in project management. When an organization seeks to achieve something new without completely restructuring, it employs various approaches, such as forming project teams, matrix teams, or task forces. While specific responsibilities are delegated within these projects, it's important to note that in most cases, individuals are borrowed from other departments to participate. Project management in this context involves effectively utilizing external resources and harnessing the expertise of individuals from diverse technical, functional, and professional backgrounds, both within the parent company and from external subcontractors. Project management necessitates the adoption of a fresh set of skills and procedures. This approach involves lateral collaboration, although it's distinct from informal group dynamics or informal organizational structures. Successful project management requires the ability of a manager to establish an organizational framework that facilitates the timely and pertinent decision-making process. Furthermore, it involves the development of a conceptual framework for optimizing collaborative interfaces. This concept represents a dynamic, interactive, iterative, and intellectually stimulating perspective on the managerial role. During the initial stages of a project and functional managers collaborate to break down the overall project objective into specific work tasks. This division helps determine the necessary skills and forms the foundation for personnel selection and subcontracting. Those involved in the project at a particular time, including individuals from functional support areas, contractors, and the project office, collectively constitute the project team. This section outlines the roles and responsibilities of various members of the project team. The term project office carries a dual meaning. It first denotes a support staff group under the project manager's authority. Secondly, it refers to a physical location where the project team holds meetings. In this context, we will focus on the project staff. The primary role of a project office staff is to facilitate the coordination of project activities across various functional areas and subcontractors. This staff assumes responsibility for planning, directing, and overseeing all project-related endeavors. Furthermore, it is a vital link between project teams, end users, and top management. In cases where projects are of a smaller scale and well-established coordination procedures exist, the entire responsibility of the project office may be shouldered by a single individual, the project manager. On the other hand, when a project office manages multiple projects simultaneously, it is typically referred to as an office of projects, or more commonly, a project management office, PMO. The PMO is a crucial project support entity responsible for developing project management policies, designing project management methodologies, providing training and educational resources, and offering various support services to projects and project managers. The role and structure of the project office depend on several factors, including the authority of the project manager and the project's size, significance, and objectives. The project office encompasses various functions, primarily focusing on planning and control. During the project's concept and definition phases, this function is responsible for developing the work breakdown structure, WBS, schedules, budgets, and planning networks. In subsequent stages, it oversees work progress, forecasts trends, updates schedules and budgets, and disseminates reports to functional, senior level, and user management. Efficient project integration is best achieved when the project office mirrors the functional areas it integrates. This alignment is achieved by having a representative from each available area within the office responsible for coordinating activities in their respective areas in alignment with the overall project. These representatives are specialists in their applicable discipline, but primarily focus on integrating their discipline with other project components while in the project office. This is the end of this segment of our lesson. In the next segment, we shall discuss multi-project organizations. This course is presented to you by South Europe College. Thank you for listening, and see you on our next segment.